that I'm amazed how many people float through life unaware that they're unable to make a decision. You're just putting it off the inevitable, so you either don't have to make a decision, or you put it on somebody else's lap, and then you can criticize them if they're right or wrong. So what are some decision-making skills that you have learned or teach along the way to help people get over that?
Here's one, always use data to help you with your decisions. 2, have a follow-up point from your decision so that you know if you're on track or not. A decision does not have to mean perfection. A decision means you're moving forward to give something a go, to then measure, is it working or not working? I think using data to help drive a decision, because there's 2 ways that humans make decisions, the rational and the emotional. To be honest, I can be one of these at times, is I'm stuck in the emotional. Does it feel right? Am I making the right decision? When we then overlay the rational, which is, what's the data I'm looking at? What does the market tell me? What does my buyer network tell me? What does my seller network tell me? If I'm using data to help drive a decision, it helps to lower that emotion. And in that in itself, Nick, inherent in that is more decisions. Because if you're going after an asset class and an area of the market that you've never done before, you've got the data, you make a decision, you go for it. But then partway through that marketing and looking at that area and how it's performing is, what's your return rate? What's your conversion rate? Are you getting deals? What are those deals worth? Are you turning them around? All of that stuff still comes into play, where if it's working, the decision is, how do you turn up the volume? If it's not working, the decision becomes, do I exit that market and look at a different one, or do I go after a different type of customer within that market? So the decision never stops. You should always keep those decisions moving forward, because just to make a decision doesn't mean that that's done.